Follow these steps to apply the ROAM brace. First, open the brace by releasing the buckles on the thigh and calf cuffs. Then carefully slide each magnetic latch towards its buckle until it releases. While sitting on the edge of a chair, flex your leg at 45 degrees. Position the center of the hinge slightly above the center line of your kneecap, and slightly in front of the midline of your leg on the injured side. As an option, you may seek a helping hand to aid with holding the hinge in position. With the buckles in the open position, connect the magnetic latches on the thigh and calf cuffs. The latches should make an audible click sound when fully clipped in. Now bring the thigh and calf buckles to closed positions, ensuring that the hinge position has maintained slightly above the center line of your kneecap and slightly in front of the midline of your leg. Only if needed for a more secure fit, adjust the thigh and calf circumferential straps on the back side of your leg. Now adjust the BOA dials by turning them clockwise to increase tension or counterclockwise to decrease tension. To remove the brace, sit on the edge of a chair, release the calf cuff first by opening the buckle, then sliding the magnetic post towards the buckle until it unclips freely. Now repeat this for the thigh cuff and the brace will release from the leg. Store the brace in a closed position by reconnecting the magnetic latches, then closing the buckles on the thigh and calf cuffs.